Hey everybody, how are you doing today? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Got a few things planned here for today. I'll be taking this grill off right here. My wife tells me that I need to have a Freightliner emblem on here. So I was in town the other day and I got one for that. And also I'm gonna get ready for spring. We're gonna put some mesh, I think you call it screen door mesh is what we're gonna put on here, so the bugs don't get in there. So I have a cameraman this time, guys. Got my little bro to be the cameraman. I think he's doing a pretty good job. I think. And so I'll actually be able to do some work in front of you guys. All right, I'll grab that from you for a second. So we have 4 bolts on the Freightliner Classic holding the grill on. 1 here, 1 there, 2 at the top, and same on the other side. So I'll quickly take those off. There you go. All right. So this is not fancy at all. This is just the stock grill that we have on it. We'll probably put a custom one on there in the future, but for now, this is what we got. I guess we'll flip it around and grab the screen. Okay, let's get some screws. Grab a drill bit this size. I don't know why I'm whistling, but anyways, close that up so it doesn't fall on me. All right, that's the size. All right, grab me the drill. Okay, so my plan is to do short self-tapping screws on here, and then we will do a washer, and hopefully the screen will stay on there good. Oh, I will need me an impact as well. Yep, okay. All right, now we just need to do 100 more of those, and we good. All right, we got our holes pre-drilled. I'll throw this grill on a pallet just so it's not on the ground. It's such a beautiful day in southern Alberta today. Figured I had to do something outside since I hadn't made a video in a while, so it's not much, but I figured maybe I could help some of you guys out if you hadn't thought of this, or if you wanted an idea of how to keep bugs from getting into your rad. I guess I gotta go grab the mesh yet, but I'll grab the mesh and then I'll lay it out and show you guys. So here it is. This is just replacement screen for windows and doors. That's what this is. You can get it at Home Hardware, Home Depot, all the places. Uh-oh, go on a litter now. So, here's my theory. If a bug gets through that, it gets through your rad. So that's why I like putting this fine stuff on the grill. It's much easier washing this than taking your rad off and trying to wash your rad. a few times a year. So I like doing this, and it's fairly easy to clean. That way you don't get a bunch of bugs and junk in your rads. So I'll go ahead and open this up. There we go. There it is. So I'll just make it go a little over the edges. I can just cut it out later. Let's see how this works with putting the screws in. Got my washers. All right. There's that one. All right, we just got to cut these out in a bit. Don't worry about giving them to me, I can just grab them. How nice is that? There we go. And I believe I will leave it exactly at that. There you have it. DIY bug screen. That's how she looks. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera, but there it is. Like I say, actually I think we might do a couple more screws in the back there, but yeah, I don't know. I know you can buy bug screens and stuff, but I feel like there's nothing that's as fine as a screen from a door or whatever. So basically whatever gets through there gets through your rad, and I find it's way easier washing this than trying to wash your rad every once in a while. So now to the last step that my wife was worried about. Bam! Let's throw this on there. We'll throw the grill back on there. It is a Freightliner. If you want to drive a Freightliner, we might as well be proud of it, right? All right, let's see if we can push these guys on there. This is just a plastic emblem. So they have these little press washers that go on there. I think I might actually grab me a socket that just fits over this perfectly. It's that easy. A socket. 3/8 deep socket. There you have it. Now where's my little washers at? Did I just lose all my little washers? Oh, thank you. My cameraman is on the ball. It's on par.